Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cash out Solana from your Phantom wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first of all, you're going to go to your Phantom wallet, and the first step we're going to do is to install a wallet called Swissborg. This is going to make the transaction easy and low on fees. To sign up for Swissborg, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description, or once you see the first link in the comment section below, click on it and it will redirect you to this page right here. Copy this code and scan this QR code. Once you download the application and sign up, deposit some money, you will get the chance to win up to 100 euros in the lottery ticket that they provide from the application. As you can see right here, I'm doing the exact same steps, and then once you verify all your details, voila, now you have access to the application. Once you have logged into your new Swissborg account, we're going to go to the portfolio section, and then from here we're going to click on deposit, and then we're going to search for crypto transfer, then click on Solana. Now we're going to click on I understand and copy the code right here, and now go back to your Phantom wallet, and then we're going to click on send. Then from here, go click on Solana. Then we're going to paste the address that we just copied from our new Swissborg account, and then click on next, and then detect how much Solana you would like to send. And then from here, you're going to click on next, and then it will send directly. Now finally, you're going to open your Swissborg account, and then from here, go to the portfolio section again, and once you find the Solana that you have just earned, you're going to exchange it to your euros or USD, whatever currency that you are preferably with, that is fiat. Now you're going to search from this list right here. Then after that, you're going to go back to your portfolio and you're going to search for the fiat currency that you have had, or for me it's euros, and then we're going to click on withdraw on the bottom right section. Then from here, click on add bank account, choose whatever bank country you would like. Then from here, you're going to just select whatever details that you might have to fill in, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.